I, Becky, take you, Ed, to be my lawfully wedded husband. Closest friend, my faithful partner in life, to have and to hold from this day forward, in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, for richer, for poorer, through the good times and the bad. I promise to comfort you in times of distress. Always be open and honest with you. I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Ed, take you, Becky, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
You're crazy or I'm crazy?
Okay, I'm good. My closest friend, my faithful partner in life, to have and to hold from this day forward, and in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, for richer, for poorer, for the good times and the bad. I promise to comfort you in times of distress, and always will be open and honest with you. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
You got this.
You may now seal your wedding with the kiss.
And who's sitting at the patio? Ed O'Toole. But this time, he's with Becky. And that was the first chance I got to meet the beautiful Becky, and I knew something at that point was a little different.
But I do want to say a couple of things for myself. That I'm just over the hill ecstatic that my beautiful daughter found such a wonderful man to share her life with.
good life, a good time, and here to Ed and Becky.